What's up guys, welcome to the video. My name's Josh and today I'm going to take you through some essential bike maintenance that you can all do from home to ensure that your bike runs smoothly and most importantly is reliable for when you need it most. Cleaning your bike regularly is one of the most effective ways to help keep it running smoothly and keep it reliable, making sure that your components are free from dirt, grease and oil. This will help to make sure that they keep running smoothly for a long period of time and you do not have to invest in any repairs. Check your saddle height and position. Not only will this make it much easier to ride your bike efficiently, but it will also help to prevent injury, as riding at the wrong saddle height can injure your knees if done incorrectly for long periods of time. Check the cassette and the chain regularly. Make sure that it's free from dirt, grease and oil, as this will make your bike more efficient, easier to ride, and also less likely for these components to fail. Inspect your bike frame and forks to make sure that they're free from cracks and any other damage. If you're worried that your bike frame is damaged, take it to a bike shop and get them to have a look over, just to make sure that there's no risk of it breaking in the future. Inspect your wheels to make sure that the spokes are free from damage, to make sure that they run true, the brakes aren't rubbing on the rims, and the wheels are centered. Again, if you're worried about any of this, you can take it to your local bike shop. Inspect your tyres. Make sure they're free from any damage. There aren't any slits or holes in the tyre, which could lead to a puncture. Make sure they're at the correct pressure, as this will improve the ride comfort and also the efficiency. Inspect your handlebars to make sure there aren't any loose components. Check your bar tape to make sure that it's free from damage and not worn too heavily, as this can really improve the comfort when you have good bar tape on your bike. Inspect your brakes regularly. Make sure that you don't have to squeeze the brake levers too hard in order to get your brakes to work. If you're worried that you're having to do this, it would be a good idea to take it into a bike shop and get them adjusted to make sure that they're working safely for when you need them. I would recommend getting your bike serviced by a professional at least once a year. Getting someone to look over it to make sure that all the components are working correctly and operating safely so that you can ride your bike confidently, knowing that everything is working as it should be. I really hope this video has been beneficial for you. These have been my top tips on how to keep your bike running smoothly, staying reliable when you need it most. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one.